Morning to all of you. Today we'll further our discussion and we'll study about budget line. So we have already discussed what an indifference curve is. So it shows different points which give equal level of satisfaction. Okay. Now, budget line is very important. Why? Because when a consumer goes to buy anything, right? So in that case, consumer not only looks at his satisfaction level, but he also wants to know whether he'll be able to buy that particular good or not. So he'll be looking at the prices of the product, and with that he'll also look at the income. Okay, his money income is also very important. So two things which are important for him are his money income and prices of the good, depending upon which he'll be able to buy different bundles of goods and services. Now, when we talk about price line or budget line, it represents all possible combination of two goods that a consumer can purchase with his given income and given prices of two goods. Okay, so that is basically here, as you can understand, that a consumer is a rational consumer, so he will be purchasing goods which will give him maximum satisfaction given the prices and his money income. Now, let us understand this particular concept with the help of one example. So, we are taking a consumer who has income of rupees 100 and he has to spend his money on apples and oranges. Both the prices for these two products is rupees 10. So I've made a chart of that. I look alternative consumption possibilities wherein the consumer is spending rupees 100 on each bundle, and these are the possibilities of his consumption in case of apples and oranges. So he is spending all of the money for buying apples, so he'll be able to buy 10 apples and zero oranges, right? And if he is buying 9 apples, then he'll be able to buy one orange. And if he's buying 8 apples, then able to buy two oranges. And this is how the chart goes on. So these are the possibilities with the help of income, with limited income, with given income of rupees 100. This is the thing that a consumer can buy. Now, out of these possibilities, which possibility will give him the maximum satisfaction? Okay, we'll discuss this after we discuss about budget line. Now, algebraic equation or algebraic expression for budget set is m is greater than equal to px into py into qy. Now, what does that mean? It means that money income you're spending on good x and good y. Okay, and it will be either money income will be either equal to what you're buying, right? Or it has to be greater than what you can buy, right? For example, you have rupees 100. Either you can spend rupees 100 on by buying different goods, right? Or you can save some money and spend less than that, right? So you cannot spend more than that. So that is basically your algebraic expression. Now if you rearrange this algebraic expression, then you get, what do you get? You get py is equal to m minus px. Okay, so this particular sign of negative sign, this is not a negative sign, girls, this is just bullet point, don't get confused. So py is equal to m minus px. Okay, now let us get to the slope of budget line. So slope of budget line, simply you have to learn it is minus px by py. Okay, minus px by py. This point represents m by px, which actually shows that the consumer is just spending rupees all the income on buying good x, and here it shows the consumer is spending all the income on buying good y. Okay,